Verification failed.
Maybe I used my left hand because I am left-handed.
Verification successful.
Exactly. This is awesome. I haven't bought a lock in decades, and they've come a long way. So there's a couple ways to open your door. First, the old traditional way, a key. Put it in the keyhole there, put it in, twist it, and it opens it. Smart. Second, your fingerprint. In this case, I use my point finger.
Verification successful.
You got a little swab, so you just kind of wipe it there, unlocks it for you. It's almost like you're on vacation. You're entering your hotel. Maybe get some of that smell from your favorite Hawaii place, spray it around, close your eyes. Feels like you're there. So you have an app that controls this thing. And last but not least, you got your key code. So you come up with a number that suits you and your family, and boom, 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 opens you right up. Very happy with this product. I feel safe on this door. I got a couple of doors I got to work on, so see if I can get a couple more of these and set them up throughout my whole house, because it is like a smart lock. You can do it from your phone, which is cool. So you could be driving to Lake Tahoe or Las Vegas or at the airport about to fly somewhere, and you realize, honey, did we lock the side door? Well, guess what? Pull up your phone, look at the app, and if you didn't, you could lock it right there.
Door closed.
Or you could just double check for the peace of mind. I like that. And if you like this, see the link in the description, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Honey, did you change the code again? Ah, jeez.